What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP. Your daily update. I would almost say it's getting a little bit boring right now, especially with the lack of news. And most of you, if you watch my daily updates, you know my thoughts on the news, right? So for those who are new, I'll briefly, very quickly, I'll repeat my stance. I think we're waiting for news. I think we have about a week to get news to actually get a good market reaction. And I'm assuming, even though who knows, right? I'm assuming they had some sort of a meeting last week and that they do have information. So if next week we get that information, we get that news, what happens will obviously depend on the content of that news, right? So that's something I cannot predict. I'm just a guy analyzing, right? They know, but we don't. So it will obviously depend on the content, but for now, what I think is most likely, based on what I expect from the meeting and a potential settlement, and what that means for XRP, most importantly, I expect some sort of a pump after the news, and then a sell-off by all the people who went long right here into some sort of a pump, into some sort of a dump. All right, so a pump and dump after the news is what I expect. If we don't get news soon, so like I said, in the next week, then I think people that bought down here will also start offloading their positions, and then we can also see bearish momentum ahead of time, because a lot of this move is fueled by news, and if that news does not come, then that's bearish. All right, but those are my thoughts on the news. I actually wanted to talk about something else, because my general expectation for XRP had shifted in the last couple of days, right? I mean, in the last couple of days, we were in a very clear uptrend first, and that kind of was brought to a halt right here. Made some lower highs right here, after making only higher highs. So in general, we had lost some momentum as well. Open interest was no longer going up as much. But then what I saw earlier this morning, and what I think is quite interesting, and which almost makes me believe that we can see something like this sooner, is the fact that I believe, or at least I might be remembering incorrectly, but we actually gained some momentum. Yeah, you can see that right here. You can actually see that, and we've seen this in the past. So this is by far, this is not enough to tell you that we're going to see a rally. But what you can see is that we've seen quite a lot of big long positions being opened on XRP earlier this morning. We know XRP has a bit of a history of insider trading, so this could, and we also got some major liquidations down here, by the way, which is also like this is like we're coming from a strong support still, even though this level right here at 54 cents is stronger. But no, I actually do think we have a chance to rally like this. It's too early to call it, all right? Because if XRP was going up to that level at 67 cents, it would start like this. But right now we don't have enough momentum to already say we are going to do that. All right, and personally, I would wait for some sort of a minor key level to break. So if you look at the chart right now, there's some sort of a level right here at 62.5 cents. If the open interest keeps increasing like this, while we get that breakout above 62.5 cents, I think we can actually still move up to that next level at 66, 67 cents before the news. Which also changes what I would expect after the news, but we'll talk about that later. But so for now, I think it's most likely, if the open interest stays like this and we don't get the breakout, I think it's most likely we'll just consolidate here. And then, like I said, keep your eyes on the momentum, keep your eyes on 62.5 cents, break above that with momentum, and then I expect this. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.